Hello, it's Big Chads, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chads Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the pattern falling three methods, Japanese candlestick pattern. Here's the AI overview. You can pause and read it, but essentially it's 5 candles. And here's an image of it. You have one candle. It's essentially a mother bar where you get 3 candles inside the range of the prior candle and then the final candle closing below the first candle. Essentially, it's a continuation. And what you see here represented is that you have a move down, and in this case, it's kind of like you're like a rising wedge. And this is just 3 exact size candles. You rarely have it exactly like that. And I have one example here. And it's hard to get a super textbook example, but here you have the move down, and then the 3 candles almost within the range here, and then it closes down, a close below. But the idea is you have the initial move, it pauses and consolidates, and then the trend continues and it wipes out that consolidation. I don't know personally how valuable this is because, very simply put, you could just be watching this consolidation range. You could be taking a short on loss of any one of these lows or loss of the initial mother bar's low, that type of thing. But it's really just something that's fun. You see it, you spot it, you see, okay, move, tight consolidation against the trend, and then continuation of the trend. So it's really just, it's a continuation pattern. It's not a reversal pattern. Even though Japanese candlesticks are all short-term reversal patterns, this one's kind of unique in that it's just continuing the trend. And like I said before, I don't know how super valuable it really is, right? The idea is that, you can look for things like volume. You can look for things like moving averages with confluence of that. But really, by the time you get to this point, usually you're in a mature trend. You're in a mature downtrend, and it's a pause, right? So you have a pretty mature trend already, and then a move against the trend, and it's continuing. So it's hinting at another leg down, at some more, further action to go. As always with Japanese candlestick patterns, they're all short term. This isn't telling you you're going to go way lower. It's just a suggestion of another leg down, one more, maybe even, similar to the size of that first mother bar type of leg down. And you can see here, even with a line chart, this is what a line chart would be. Line chart, again, calculating on the candle close, something like that. Move up, move down, and then close below the mother bar. So I have other videos on falling and rising 3 methods. This is just one specifically on the falling 3 methods pattern for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube, Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Chads out.